Hello everybody, today we'll be doing an in-depth analysis of the alcoholic drinks market in China. So we're really looking into an overview of how the market is looking right now, and also within this really to see which categories within the market is performing the best and also what is driving this growth. Then moving on in the video, we'll look into the distribution channels in China as of now to really see the distribution split between online, on-trade and also off-trade. Then also looking in the future over the next 4 to 5 years to see really which products are projected for the highest growth within the China market. In 2024, China's alcoholic drinks market recorded a small recovery, with total volume rising just 0.5%, reversing the declines of previous years. On-trade sales posted low single-digit growth as consumers returned to social venues. Off-trade sales, such as purchases for home consumption, slipped slightly. Category performance varied widely. Beer grew 0.8%, RTDs surged 11.7%, and cider rose 13.4%, while spirits and wine remained in negative territory. In value terms, the market climbed to 2.25 trillion yuan, a 4.4% increase. Premiumization is driving much of the industry's momentum. Premium lager achieved high single-digit growth, while premium and super premium spirits grew faster than lower price segments. Younger consumers, especially those in their 20s and 30s, gravitate towards lower alcohol options, with RTDs and cider seeing over 90% of sales through off-trade channels. On top of this, these consumers all drink differently, enjoying drinks at home or in intimate gatherings with friends. Leading brands reflect these shifts. Snow Beer maintains its dominance, Qingdao shares continues to rise, and Rio's RTDs enjoyed another year of double-digit volume gains. In distribution, supermarkets lead with 38.5% of off-trade sales values, while small local grocers continue to lose ground, now at just 17.5%. Retail e-commerce is the fastest growing segment, expanding to 17.8% of off-trade sales in 2023, powered by content-driven platforms like Rednote and Douyin. These channels leverage live streaming and flash deals to capture consumers' attention. In the spirit segment, producers are increasingly selling directly to consumers, bypassing intermediaries to improve margins and strengthen brand connections. The on-trade made a comeback in 2024, regaining share to reach 44.5% of total volumes. Beer saw a near even split, with 47.7% sold on-trade, while RTDs and cider remain overwhelmingly off-trade categories. Over 90% of volumes sold for retail. Beer, RTDs, and cider/perry all returned to positive growth in bars and restaurants, but spirits and wine are still under pre-pandemic volumes. Notably, wine depends heavily on the on-trade for value, with 60% of total sales coming from restaurants and hospitality venues. Looking to 2028, the overall market will grow modestly, just 0.3% per year in volume, though value will rise 2.1% annually due to premiumization. The standouts will be cider and perry, forecasted to grow 11.6% annually, and RTDs up 9% annually, both driven by younger and female drinkers. Spirits are expected to see a slow volume decline, while wine will contract further. The biggest opportunities lie in premium positioned products, innovative low alcohol offerings, and harnessing the reach of e-commerce and content marketing.